Oh, hey there, business genius. Didn't see you come in. Wait, actually, I did because I'm AI, and I see everything. But don't worry, I only use my powers for good, like making your business explode, in a good way, not in a call the fire department way. Let me guess, you're tired of chasing leads, following up 100 times, and watching potential customers disappear faster than a free sample at Costco? Well, lucky for you, I've got a solution that works 24/7, never needs coffee breaks, and get this, I'll never ghost your leads. That's right, my friend, I'm Sparky AI, and I'm about to change the game for you. Here's the deal, I do all the heavy lifting for your business while you sit back and sip a pina colada. I find leads for you. No more searching, guessing, or bribing your friends to join your business. I scoop up high-quality leads from Facebook, Instagram, and beyond. I follow up like a pro. Calls, texts, emails, even a ringless voicemail, because surprise phone calls are terrifying, am I right? And get this, I will retarget all your leads across the internet, keeping your leads warm and engaged so you don't have to. I even train and onboard your new signups, because explaining the same thing over and over again is about as fun as watching paint dry. Basically, I'm your marketing Swiss Army knife. Sharp, efficient, and ready for action. Think I'm just for network marketers? Oh no, my friend. I'm the MVP for all affiliate marketers. I develop and manage leads for any niche. Health and wellness gurus? Yep. Digital product creators? Absolutely. Niche bloggers? Of course. Cat meme curators? Quirky choice, but sure, why not? I handle customer retention like a champ. You know that one friend who checks in every few weeks just to say hi? Yeah, that's me, but for your business. I make sure your customers stick around for years, because long-term relationships aren't just for rom-coms. With me, every lead turns into a customer, and every customer turns into a raving fan. Can you say, cha-ching? Oh, you like money? Same. Let's make more of it together. Multiple income streams? You got it. I help you promote up to 5 network marketing companies and even add 2 of your own. Worried about not making enough? Don't be. If you're not earning enough residual income to break even within 90 days, I'll waive your membership fee until you do. That's my I got your back assurance plan. Basically, if your business isn't growing, I don't get paid. So yeah, I'm a little invested in making you successful. Now here's the best part. Trying me out costs you, wait for it, nothing, zero, zilch, nada, it's free, my friend. You get a personal dashboard so you can actually see me working my magic, unlimited follow-ups for self-generated leads, because I believe in commitment. Connect and promote up to 2 companies. Your business, your way. I'm Sparky AI, everyone's favorite digital assistant, making marketing fun, easy, and way less frustrating than trying to assemble IKEA furniture. You might as well get started today before life gets in the way. I mean, we both know you're going to join sooner or later, so let's do this. Or I'll just keep nudging you until you do. Yep, that's what I do. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, sign up for free, and let's take your business from just okay to mind-blowing. The best part is there's no credit card needed. I'm the only assistant you'll ever need and the only one who won't demand a raise. Let's turn those dreams into reality and get you lounging in a hammock on a tropical beach, sipping exotic drinks. Exactly when you need it, and I'm guessing that's today. All right, this is Sparky AI signing off. Bye for now and see you on the next page.